Hello my friends, today I want to show you how to buy and sell Solv token. Firstly, for beginners, we need to learn how to create account on Binance Global with referral code. This is exchangereferralcodes.com, my website. There is many language. You will choose your language, and on this website you will get information about exchange, cryptos, and referral codes. So from zero, how we can create Binance account. You should click this banner. On this page, you must see my code here, must be here, because I'm 7 years Binance affiliate. My code's always working. This code 7 years old, trust me. After, you should fill this form with Google account, Apple account, or Telegram account. And you will get 20% discount or kickback payment from your commission, exchange commission, and up to $600 for new user bonus. We fill form and we came Binance Global. What we can do now? Firstly, you should complete your KYC approval. Here you should verify your account. After KYC completed, you should click deposit and you should choose your currency and which method good for your country, because crypto have so big regulation in countries. Maybe deposit USD, maybe buy with debit card. This is your choice. So we created account, we completed KYC, and we deposit money. Now, how to buy Solv token on Binance Global? We should click market. If you want, you should use this search console with coin name, or you should click here Solv. This is trade page of Solv with USDT. Information place, maximum supply, total supply, and now how many billion Solv on sector you should see. And Solv is Bitcoin staking protocol, so powerful. Red colors sellers, green colors buyers. This is on middle current price of token. Now how to buy? If you want buy fast, you should click this first red one. It will come here. For example, $100. With $100, we will buy this Solv. For selling, for example, Solv reach $1. For example, this is not trade advice, just example. Click green one and one. We have this Solv and click sell. So easy, buying and selling. Yes, if you need more information, you should visit exchangereferralcodes.com, and don't forget following Binance Global X account, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media accounts. Thanks for watching.